Just like that. I had a tiny presentation on that little tungsten toad. Got him? Crappie!
Bingo!
There it is. Little guy, but hey.
He just raced up from the bottom right here. See all of them on the bottom there?
Oh, this is shallower. Or are those fish?
Those are fish.
Oh, really? Those are all fish?
Yeah, look. Yeah, they'll start moving. I see it.
Oh.
Okay.
I mean, Mason's got a Swedish pimple.
Oh, that one feels a little bit better. Probably a little crappie. Oh.
Oh, little bluegill.
A little sunny.
That's not
bad.
too little.
Cheers for like Chancey Walters, you know. Plus, I like when he sits.
All right, there's your fish.
Throw it back.
And there. Go get on mine.
Go.
Yeah. No.
Oh, he's running hurt. Nice shot.
You don't have to even jerk on it. He's on there.
Yes?
Yes. He's on there.
Some weight. You're not kicking though, so you might be a snake. Oh yeah. Oh, cool color. Little pike. Little pike. Little snake. Just a nice little northern there. There it goes. Did you get it on camera? Yep. Alrighty.
He might have something down there.
Oh, it's shallow, that looks like. Oh, yeah. He's coming up on it hot. Shot right back down. Yep, here it comes. Yep. Little.
Littlest bluegill ever, dang it.
Yeah, I drilled a hole way up there, dude. Oh, that one's not even up. You suck.
He took the waxwork. All right. Little spikes.
Oh. Yep. Hey, attaboy. Yeah. Ooh, that's a cool bluegill. That's like my musky color that I have.
It's cool. It's a bluegill. A little bite out of it, and
It does?
some.
Oh yeah. Little nibble. It's got purple on the bottom. You see that?
It's got that disease.
That,
Cool little fish.
what do you got on it? Yeah.
It is definitely because my wax one was too big. That's the whole thing. All today. That's why. That's dumb.
Yep. Timing on that was perfect. Oh, yep. We're on them now. Woohoo!
Your minnows are huge.
Yeah, your minnows are massive. That's where you're... What was it, a pike, you think, or a walleye? Ooh, that sucks.
I got one on.
Here we go. Is that on it? Yeah, well, that's a nicer fish. Get that one up here. That might be a keeper. Oh, yeah. Big bluegill. Oh, big bass. Or not big, but I mean decent bass. A little largy. Cash, what is that?
All right. Just like that. Switched up baits and switched up to only
Yeah, what is that, buddy?
spikes instead of waxes, a little smaller. Nice little bass. What do you think, 12, 13 even?
Yeah, I'd say 13. Ooh.
Even?
Yeah, I'd say 13. Ooh.
He's bit the
Nipping
tail.
at it.
You like that?
Alrighty.
Let's get a release on this dude.
Ooh. Alright.
Oh. I missed. Oh, look. No wonder. That's the worst, eh?
What happened?
My hook was wrapped around.
Oh, yeah.
They took another one of my spikes. So you weren't losing any spikes before, and then all of a sudden you're like, can't keep one. Oh my gosh. Oh, right away?
Wow.
I literally didn't.
You should.
Like I said, like literally again, I was dropping down. That bait must look so good going down.
Yeah.
Got him?
Oh, crappie.
Crappie.
Let's go. That thing's so skinny. Crappie king.
Hold it up.
So crappie. Fair, he's real skinny.
And there he goes. Oh,
Yeah.
it's not that
Look at
bad.
the crappie.
All right.
Alright, nice crappie here. Pretty close to a keeper. Some people would, but we're gonna let everything go today. But we're finally getting on them. That's the second crappie in like 2 minutes, eh?
Yep.